1998, Vending Series 3. 25 years ago they made these for vending machines. Now we have them here in the Wheezy world. Minty as can be. Ready to be ripped for everybody to see, baby. Let's go, baby. Alright, here we go. Let's get this corner out. This corner giving Wheezy a little trouble. We don't like troubled corners, guys. That could be a Kadabra. As long as we get a good Kadabra right here, we'll be alright. Come on, Kadabra. Come on, Kadabra. If it peeled good, we want a Kadabra. And it's a Staryu. Staryu on the first one. Staryu on the first one. Alright, let's see what we got after the Staryu. That will be sent off to get graded. You know it. These are all coming back. No white on these. No white. Let's go, baby. Beautiful Vending Series 3. Right here. If anybody wants to buy them or duck race for them, they're in the bin. They're in the bin. Come on, baby. Let's go. Next one. Here we go. Ooh, the slow, bro. Nice. Nice. We take that. We take that. Bada boom, bada binger. Let's go, baby. Let's get to the next one. Let's go, baby. Come on, with Scyther inbound, maybe? Scyther, I like Scyther. There's some cool Scythers in here. There's some we haven't opened yet. There's some that no one's even picked yet that we haven't even opened yet. Let's go, baby. Maybe a piece of the card peeled off on there. Yep, you see the top of the card there peeled off. That's unfortunate. I know. The gold duck. That's unfortunate. It's okay though. It's still a very nice card, and you know that it still could get a 9, guys. That could still get a 9. That could still, maybe not, but maybe I gotta go easier. Just a little while with you. Alright, here we go. We got all the corners peeled. Ooh, the Pokemon. Sheesh. Thank y'all for tuning in. Have a good one. God bless, baby.